Got some green bell peppers, some nice cauliflower, and then this butternut curry sauce, and then some coconut cream. We're gonna combine these all with the lamb. Okay, so the lamb is nice and seared and chopped. Got the cauliflower, everything in there. We'll pour the stuff on top now. Alright, everything's mixed up. We're gonna get this in the oven. Alright, so the lamb is done. Excellent Okay, so the lamb is done. Tender. Cooked to perfection. The coconut milk is such a nice touch. And this will be served with couscous, and you know, you could make it spicy if you want to add some jalapenos, but I think it's good just like this. Mashaallah, tabarakallah.